Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. Sorry, I lie, it's Wall Street, it's Dow Jones. So let's just get straight into it. So at the moment, we have diversions here on the 8 hour, and we also have some bearish patterns. So you have an inside bar there, you have a massive pin bar with an engulfing bar from Friday, and we're moving down. We are on structure here. Now, there is, or should I say, there are 3 levels here. So that is the zone that we are heading to at the moment. Bearish diversions, but the trend is up. So, this would be a pullback. It's only when you start dropping below this area here, which is 33,814, that we should start worrying about a bigger move to the downside. So for now, we need to pay attention to what we see in price at the moment. So let's drop down through the time frame. So firstly, sell-off on Friday, public holiday yesterday in the US, so nothing really going on. And then a big down, up, down, and it's just, flag, triangle, whatever you want. There's structure to the left, which is what it's looking at. We had a big move on Friday as well. Sorry, not Friday, that was Thursday. We had the massive move. And look at my oscillators at the moment. I have now bullish diversions here as well. So lots of confusion. Definitely lots of confusion here. And if we just drop down to the hour, you're going to see we do have a gap here, which I suspect will get closed. So that's 34,182. I've got the oscillators grouped the downside. I'm above the 155, but the other 2 moving averages have crossed over and pointing down, so that could mean trend to the downside. And there was a little bit of a rejection yesterday, but I'm not going to take too much into that because it was after hours, or during public holiday. So there you have 34,351, which was a rejection area. You can see there it is there, and then sort of sold off. My view at the moment, I would be paying attention to this zone here, 34,182 and 34,139. This is a fairly decent area, and this is starting to look like, there's your downward trend line, and let's just make it like that. So you can see that's the wedge. If you put the Fibonacci on here, you can see the Fibonacci 61.8 is right in this zone as well. The 155s here, everything's here, lots of structure to the left. So this is the area I'd be paying attention to for a buying opportunity. Okay, so yeah, just drop down to 15-minute, double check. And granted, the trend is down on the 15-minute at the moment, but oscillators are all over the place at the bottom end, so we are oversold on the lower time frames. So this is kind of what I'd be looking for an area of support. As soon as we start seeing price action there, it's an entry long just above it with a stop below. Don't really have a limit order position here because I don't really trust the Dow Jones. S&P is a different animal. And we also do have a couple of gaps further down, so just keep that in back of your mind. Be patient on this, don't just jump in. Wait for the structure to form at a level before you jump in on it. Anyway, that's it for me today. If it helps, drop us a thumbs up, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.